Right, good morning, grade 3. Today we're going to look at using a dictionary. So this week our focus will be on dictionaries. Now I'm hoping many of you have a dictionary at home. There are probably a couple of activities in the pack that if you do not have a dictionary at home, you will not be able to do. Don't stress overly about that. If you're one of those people who don't have a dictionary at home, and there's not one that you've got somewhere that you can borrow, that's okay. But I just wanted to be able to do some dictionary work with you. A lot of the work you can do because you don't actually need a dictionary. I've got pages like worksheets that don't rely on an actual dictionary. So when you're using a dictionary, the most important thing for you to know is your alphabet. Now, I know you all know your alphabet, but I've just popped the alphabet up here so it's easier for us. Because I know even when I'm using a dictionary, sometimes I might, have to quickly say my alphabet over in my head a few times. But when I have the alphabet written out in front of me, like we have it in the classroom on top of the board, it makes it easier for us. Now, the first dictionary I'm going to show you is one that Miss Fisher has in her room, which is a really simple dictionary. It's called a picture dictionary, which is a simple dictionary that we start using probably around grade 1. Now, the way this dictionary works is still using the alphabet, like all the others, but it has pictures that help show what the words mean. So, for instance, an engine, they show a picture of the engine of a car. All right, and the definition is quite simple. Now, like all dictionaries, see down here they have the alphabet written down the side, and that's to help people. I've popped it up here for us. Now, if we're having a look at this page here, it says elephant, 2 eyes. So in one of our more complicated dictionaries, they're called guide words. They'd be up in the top corners, and you would have elephant here, and you would have 5 there. So the first word on the page is elephant, and the last word on the page is 5. So it would have elephant here and 5 there. They're making this one a bit simpler, so they say elephant, 2 eyes. So the first word is elephant. The last word on this page is eyes. This one here, first word is face. Last word is 5. All right, so that's, just a really simple dictionary for us to have a look at first. But it works the same way. It's in alphabetical order. Now, the first thing we have to look at when we're thinking about how to find a word in a dictionary is, what is the first letter? What does that word start with? Now, most words, you guys are pretty good spellers now, you will know how to find the first letter. But there will be times when you're not quite sure what the first letter is. And then that makes a dictionary a little bit tricky to use. I'm going to now show you another one from Miss Fisher's room, and it's a primary school dictionary for younger kids. All right, if we open this, let's not choose that page. Keep finding a page. So here, it says parallel is the first word. Parallel is the first word, so that's a guide word. And the last word is patio. Patio is the last word. And again, it has the alphabet written down the side, so you don't have to continually say the alphabet in your head. All right. So I'm going to close this one up as well. I just wanted to show you how they develop the dictionaries as they get more difficult. And this is the type of dictionary we use in grade 3. This is a middle primary dictionary, and we're at the beginning of middle primary. So grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, these dictionaries are used, and I think the grade 6s use these dictionaries as well. So now we're in the upper school, we will use these dictionaries. There are more complicated dictionaries there are dictionaries that are, really, really thick. They're, really wide like this. I've got some at my house that actually have 3 books for the one dictionary. It's a World Book Dictionary, and they're really, really big, and they're heavy. But for most words that we're going to need to use, we will find them in this dictionary. So the first thing we have to think about if we're wanting to find a word, I'm going to write us a word to find. So our first word, let's find chain. Now, I might not have known how to spell chain, but of course I do. So I know that the first letter that I need to look for is the letter C. Now, when I look at the alphabet, the letter C is near the beginning of the alphabet. So when I use my dictionary, I'm not going to start looking for chain way up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, chain starts with C. C is the 3rd letter in the alphabet. So I'm going to guess that it will be quite near the beginning, maybe about here. So I'm going to open my dictionary there, and I'm having a look. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see that clearly, but I'm still at B, B-O. I'm not far enough along, so I'm not going to go one page at a time because that will take me too long. I'm just going to do a few more pages and flick it over. Now I'm at C. So I'm in the right area, but I'm at capital letter, C-A. Now the second letter in chain is H. So I'm not far enough along. So I'm still at CA. Am I going to go to the very next page? No. I probably need to go about 3 or 4 pages. Because when I look at H, I'm currently at C, then A, and I need to go in C, then H. So I need to go probably about 4 pages. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how I did. What's my guessing? Ha! CH. CH. That was a good guess, wasn't it? Now the next letter I need to look for is A. I've got C-H-A-M, champion. So here I have C-H-A-I. Now I need to think. I'm up to C-H-A-M and I need to be at C-H-A-I. I'm a little bit too far. I've probably gone maybe 1 page too many. Now I'm getting pretty close. I'm up to the 4th letter in my word. So I probably just need to go back 1 page. So let's go back 1 page. And I have a look here and I'm at CE. Yep, definitely. It must be. I know that chain will be on these pages. I look here. I'm at CE. Here I'm CE. And here I am at CHAM. I know my word is going to be on this page. So let's have a look for it. I probably should have put my glasses on before I started this video. I've just worked out. So I'm at C-H-A-I-R. Ooh, chairman. No, I just need to be a little bit before that. And I've got chair, chain. So here I actually have, I'm going to push this up. I'm sure you guys can see it. So now I have chain. But there are 2 different words that have chain. I'm just going to quickly put my glasses on so I can actually read it to you what it says because I can't see it without them. I'll be telling you. Oh, that's better. So, chain. It says a noun. So it tells us what type of word it is, whether it's a noun or a verb. And it says a row of metal rings linked together. Well, that's what I know what a chain is. Or the number 2, the second meaning, is a connected series of things, a chain of mountains, a chain of events. Right, so there's another meaning there. Meaning number 3, a number of shops, hotels, or restaurants owned by the same company. Oh, a chain of restaurants, like McDonald's or something like that. And then chain as a verb. Remembering a verb is a doing word. To fasten with chains, a chain or with chains. So that means to chain it up, to link it up with the chain. So therefore, I can work out which meaning I actually wanted. So that is, in a nutshell, how we use our dictionary. While we're on this page, I'm just going to find one. Aha! This word here. Now, I'm going to move it up closer to the camera so you guys can see it, because I'm not sure how well you can see it from there. Probably not that well. Alright, this word here. So, C-H-A-L-E-T. Now, I'm not sure how to say this word. So I read here in brackets. See how it has in the writing sort of on the side? That's called italics. And it tells you how to say it. And it says, shall a. So see how it sounds it out for you? So this word here is like ballet. It's chalet. Okay? And it tells you how to say it. So if you were saying chillalette, you know that chillalette is not the way you say it. Even though that might be what we think. The CH normally makes a ch sound. Chillalette, it doesn't sound right to start off with. But in the brackets, it actually tells you how to say the word. It's sh. SH makes the sh sound. Sh. Shall a. AY makes the A sound. So it tells us how to say the word, and then it gives us the meaning. Up here it tells us that it's a noun, usually a wooden house with a steeply sloping roof, especially one built in mountain areas. So you normally will find a chalet up in the snow. So they don't tell you with all the words how to say it. But for words like chalet, which is not said how it looks, they'll actually tell you how to say it in the dictionary. Alright. And I'll go over here to our chain so you can see it. Where are we? I'm trying to make it straight so you guys can see it. See here they had the chain, chain the noun, it gives a definition, and then it has chain the verb, because there are some words that have multiple meanings. Alright, now we've had a super duper fast lesson on how to use our dictionary. We'll do some more of this when we get back to school. Alright, bye grade 3.